Sinasabi nga nila, it doesn't naman daw go to for operations. No, ito just the breakdown. 50% goes to TIESA for the Tourism Infrastructure and Enterprise Zone Authority para sa mga tourism project at infrastructure. 40% goes daw sa CHED para daw sa turismo at hospitality education. And 10% goes to the National Commission for Culture and the Arts para sa conservation ng culture and the arts. So this is where it goes down, supposedly.
In fact, we're talking about 7 to 8 billion budget.
Wow, 7 to 8 billion ang nakukuha.
Let's face it, hindi pa tayo sigurado kung na-disburse ng tama yan or na-appropriate at nagamit ng tama. Pangalawa, napakaliit nito, parang isang flood control project lang yan. I think the general budget can provide fundings for all these purposes. Pangatlo, I don't think travel tax is wrong in principle. But I think it's outdated and Jurassic na. Kasi in this global and integrated and tourism-driven economy na lahat ng bansa like Thailand, they are surviving despite corruption and 60% ng ekonomiya ng mga enterprises sa Thailand, informal. Hindi nagbabayad ng tax. And yet, ang economy nila nagsusurvive because of tourism. Tayo, bumababa pa yung tourism. Ang laki-laki ng budget na binibigay natin sa tourism and yet, hindi pa ang gastos pa rin tayo mismo mga Pilipino umiinda para magbiyahe sa sarili nating bansa because of lack of infrastructure, very costly. Diba? Pati yung airfare. Sino ba yung nagsabi sa akin recently, pumunta lang ng Siargao pa, mas mahal pa. Punta ka na lang ng Hong Kong, mas mura pa. So, correct. I guess travel tax is very short term. At ano ba talaga yung benefit niya? So I think whatever the benefit can be outweighed by getting it from the general appropriation rather than imposing additional burden to our kababayan. Lalo na, the vast majority, economy class. Diba? Ngayon, pag sinabi mo namang, hindi yung business class na lang, bakit ba lagi yung pinaparusahan yung may pera?
Kaya nga, kasalanan ba nila na nag-ipon sila?
Nagbayad na ako ng VAT. Diba, sa Senator Bato nga, binayaran ko na yung sweldo, di pumapasok eh. I mean, let's face it. Let's be very frugal when it is necessary, but let's be fair. Hindi kasalanan maging mayaman unless nagnakaw ka.
Correct.
At hindi masamang mag-impose ng tax kung kailangan at nararapat na lahat naman nagbabayad. Saka pagdating sa travel tax, it's not wrong in principle, but it's outdated. Come on, it's 2026.
Hello.
Hello.